Hello friends, I am Gaurav Dua and welcome to our Sher Khan Diwali special. The markets have been very good for the last one and a half year. Since the last Diwali, the Nifty index is up by 50-55% and the CNX Midcap index has given a returns of 80 to 85%. And at the same time, our last year Diwali picks have given a 72% return. Now, what's the outlook for the next year? What I hear from everyone is, should we invest now at these levels? The markets have run up fast, valuations aren't cheap anymore. So what's the way ahead from here? We certainly believe that equity markets are likely to give very good returns over the next few years. India is at the cusp of a new economic growth cycle. The policy framework after decades is focused towards growth. Interest rates are at extremely low level and the central government is taking steps to boost infrastructure investment, kickstart the economy. There are a lot of initiatives which have been announced, like production linked incentive scheme to boost the manufacturing sector. Apart from this, the government intends to raise 6 trillion rupees through National Asset Monetization Plan. Now, all these policy initiatives will help the economy grow at a fast pace. For the economy to grow for many years to come, the property and the private capex cycle have to start doing well. There are already early signs in the property market, what we have seen in past few months. The sale of reported by most of the real estate firms have been extremely strong. And in terms of the private capex cycle also, we are seeing that some of these sectors, especially like steel, a lot of these companies have announced new plans for expansion. So given this background, the corporate earnings or the corporate profit are set to grow at a very healthy rate. Already we have seen that in last fiscal FY21, the Nifty 50 companies reported a 20% growth in their profits. Now this has come in a difficult year, pandemic year. For next 2 years, FY22 to FY23, again, there is expectation of a 24 to 25% kind of a growth every year in the Nifty 50 companies. Now, even if we look at the BSE 200 index, the BSE 200 large Indian companies are likely to double their profits over FY20 to FY23. The profits at the end of FY20 were around 4.8 lakh crore or 4.8 trillion rupees, which are likely to grow to rupees 9.8 trillion rupees. Now that's a huge growth in the profits of corporate India. Now when you have such kind of a fast growing pace in the economy, recovery in the core sectors like steel, real estate, the stock markets will always do well. So as an investor, we need to keep this big picture in mind. This year we have shortlisted 15 high quality investment ideas. There is a mix of large cap and quality mid cap stocks. The key theme here is the economic upcycle. So when economy does well, corporate lending banks will do well. So our stock basket has ICICI Bank and State Bank of India. LIC Housing Finance is a play on the property market and it is a undervalued stock. In the consumer space, we like stocks like Radico Khaitan, PVR, ITC, and also Titan. We should also play the economic recovery through the infrastructure companies, engineering companies. In that space, we have chosen Larsen & Toubro, APL Apollo, and niche mid-cap stock ISGEC Heavy Engineering. So these are the 10 solid picks that we have to play the economic upcycle. Apart from this, the Sharekhan research team has also shortlisted 5 bottom-up picks. These would be Divi's Lab, Tata Motors, NOSIL, Balrampur Chini, and Tata Elxsi from the IT pack. With this basket of 15 stocks, we think that next 1 year is also going to be a very healthy and profitable year for investors. Wish you a very happy Diwali and a very prosperous new year.
On behalf of the entire Sharekhan team, here's wishing you a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.